Guys, check out my new favorite channel. It is so good. Oh my god. Look at it.
Hey, what's up guys, Cancel the Sequel here. Today I'm gonna show you the best PC for $850. So let's start off with the most important ones: GPU, power supply, and CPU. NVIDIA GTX 1060 6GB, the best one for you. It came out in 2016 and you can easily play Fortnite, GTA 5, PUBG, League of Legends on high settings and 60 plus FPS. It has excellent Full HD resolution and 1440p performance. It runs quietly and has incredible low power consumption. It costs $300. You can replace this with the GTX 1050 Ti 4GB, which is around $200. It has one HDMI port, the only con of this GPU. Next up we have the CPU, AMD Ryzen 3 2200G, one of the best gaming CPUs for its price, which is $100. But for this build, you're gonna buy a CPU with the cooling for $164. It has 4 cores and 4 threads with 3.5 GHz and max overclock of 3.8 GHz. For best CPUs and GPUs, you need to have a good power supply, and that is the Corsair 9020120 450 watts, which is perfect for your GPU and CPU, which is $46. Where can we put all that? Well, on the motherboard, Gigabyte GA-Z6AP DS3LGA for only $125. A very good looking motherboard with DDR of your choice, but mostly DDR3. Talking about RAM, we have 16 gigabytes of any kind. For a case, we have the Rosewell case, which is $50. Also, we have the 1 terabyte of HDD. So that's it, the PC build. I didn't have any idea what to record, so leave me comments in the comment section what to record. This video is very short because it takes long to edit, so yeah. So thanks for watching. Also subscribe would be appreciated. I don't have any professional gear yet because it's my first YouTube video, so a sub would be appreciated because I'm a new channel. Thanks for watching.